If you're watching this, you're already ahead of 99% of people. But here's something no one told you. School was never meant to prepare you for life. You spent 12 years memorizing formulas, but never learned how to deal with anxiety. You passed every history test, but no one taught you how to manage emotions, failure, or even your own mind. And the scariest part? That wasn't a mistake. It was by design. From the age of 5, you weren't educated. You were trained to obey, to memorize, to never question. Why? Because the system was built not for freedom, but for factories. This wasn't about creativity or critical thinking. It was about control. Schools were modeled after factories, to produce workers who followed rules, no thinkers who challenged them. What if I told you your brain, the most powerful machine on earth, was never given its manual? You were never taught emotional intelligence, never taught how habits rewire your identity, or how your subconscious beliefs are shaped by others. Because once you understand your own mind, you stop being programmable, and that scares the system. But here's the truth, you're not stuck. Because now, we live in the age of self-education. You can learn anything, you can unlearn everything, and you can choose a new script. Start reading the books they never gave you. Follow mentors they never told you about. Break the rules they made to keep you small. Because the same phone that distracts you can also free you. If this hit you hard, it's because deep down, you've always felt something was off. Like, share with your friends, comment, "I choose to unlearn," and subscribe, because this is where the real education begins.